Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav, your maths teacher from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Children, this is the time for revision. So, in this video we are going to revise chapter 5, shapes. I hope you have focused on the videos which we have uploaded till now. Now we will revise the chapter. You know all things have shape. What shapes they are, we will see in this chapter. So, first of all we will see this shape. This is a rectangle. What is this? This is a rectangle. The spelling of rectangle is R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Children, now here you can see it has 4 sides and 4 corners. What are sides? The lines which we use to draw this shape. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. These lines are called sides, and where these lines meet, this point is called corner. So, how many corners you can see here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, we can say that a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. And one thing more, it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. You can draw it like this also, but it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. You can draw it like this. This is also rectangle, and here you can see these 2 sides are long and these 2 sides are short. So, we can say that a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Now, we will see another shape. This is a square. You can see the spelling of a square as Q-U-A-R-E, square. Here it is also having 4 sides and 4 corners. How many lines we use it for drawing? We use 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, these 4 lines are called sides, and where these lines are meeting to each other, this point is called corner. So, how many corners it has? It has again 4 corners. But what is the difference between rectangle and square? In a square it has 4 equal sides, and in rectangle only 2 sides. In rectangle 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short, and in a square all sides are equal. Now, we will see this shape. This is a triangle. What is this? This is a triangle. The spelling of triangle T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Children, here you also can see it has 3 sides and 3 corners. This one is side 1, 2 and 3, and these points are called corners. It has 3 corners, 1, 2 and 3. I hope you have understood. Now, we will see the next shape. This is circle. What is this? This is circle. Children, how many corners you can see? Here is no corners. So, a circle has no corners and no sides. The spelling of circle C-I-R-C-L-E, and it has no corners and no sides. Now, we will see oval shape, O-V-A-L, oval. Here you can see it looks like a circle, but actually it is not circle, it is flattened circle. What is it? It is flattened circle. You can see an egg of this shape, and balloon you can see of this shape. I hope you have understood. Now, keep practicing of this chapter at home. We will discuss this chapter in a live doubt session, and children, have a deep focus on the chapter which we are giving you, so that you can memorize the chapter very easily. Thank you.